Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix your payment method was declined on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, what you need to do is just simply check that your debit or credit card's expiry date is not over. If this isn't the case, then what you need to do is just simply open settings, and then you have to tap on your Apple ID, and firstly you have to tap on password and security. From here you have to tap on change password. So firstly you have to change your password from here. So you have to put the new password, and here you have to verify the password, and then you have to tap on change. And after changing the password, check whether your form has been fixed or not. If the form still exists there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings, and then you have to tap on apply it again. And from here you have to tap on payment and shipping, and from here you have to update or manage your payment method, and make sure that you have given the correct information. And after that, what you need to do is just simply open media and purchases, and then you have to tap on view account, and then you have to scroll it down from here and just simply tap on purchase history. So from here you have to check that if you have any unpaid subscription. If you have, then you have to pay for them or remove it, and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the parcel exists there, then you have to open settings again tap on your Apple ID, and then you have to tap on media and purchases, again tap on view account, and then you have to wait for a while from here, and then you have to tap on country origin, and then change country origin. From here you have to select your country. So let me tell you that you have to select the same country which you have given in your debit or credit or payment method. Then you have to select the same country from here. Like I'm selecting from here United States, so you can select your country from here. And here are the terms and conditions, so you have to read it carefully, and then tap on agree. Again tap on agree. Now you have to wait for a while, and from here you have to select your payment method. I am selecting at none, and here you have to put the billing address. Street you can put fake one, so you can also put fake one, and here you have to put fake one, and you have to select your state from here. Like I am selecting California, and after that you have to put the real zip code. If you don't know about your zip code, then you can search on Safari browser or another browser. In case of mine, it's 2090900201, and you have to put the phone number, so you can put fake one as well, and just simply tap on next. And after doing all these things, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So this is guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.